Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text onto your edit on Alight Motion. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Alight Motion application on your device, and once you open it up, you can choose any of your old projects to continue working on, or you can open up a new one by tapping on the plus icon. Once you choose your project, you will be taken into the edit menu. Now, if you wish to add text within any section, tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner, and now you will see the text option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can enter your desired text. After entering your text, you can choose your font from the top section, and you can also choose your desired size. There is also the option to choose your alignment for the text that you just entered. You can use the slider that is displayed on the screen to resize your text box. Once you have set all of your desired preferences, including your text color, size, and font, you can tap on the tick mark at the top right corner, and now this will create the layer along with this text within your video file right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add texts onto your video on Alight Motion. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.